Welcome back to Success Academy. Dear students, we have to learn about the rationalization. Rationalization means the process which is converting the irrational number to the rational number. For example, root 5 is a irrational number. I am converting the root 5 into the rational number. Root 5 multiply with the root 5, we get the root 5 square root will be get cancelled 5 what. After rationalization we got the number is 5. Root 5 is a irrational number and 5 is a rational number. This process is called the rationalization. This rationalization, there is a rational factor also very important. A rational factor means to which we are multiplying the irrational number to get the rational number. That factor is called the rational factor of the given irrational number. Here root a, some formulas are giving. Root a rational factor is root a only, and second root a plus root b rational factor is root a minus root b. Third, root a minus root b rational factor is root a plus root b. And fourth, a plus root b rational factor is a minus root b. And fifth one, a minus root b rational factor is a plus root b. Sixth one, root a plus b rational factor is root a minus b, and root a minus b rational factor is root a plus b. These are very important formulas. We have to do some problems on this rationalization. Now find the simplest form of the rationalizing factor and rationalize it. Find the simplest form of rationalizing factor and rationalize the following. For example, one problem on this method. Find the simplest rationalizing factor and rationalize it. So root 75 is given. In this, root 75 is a irrational number. This is not in the standard form. You should write the standard form. That is, I am writing the 25 into 3. You know the formula. Square root of a into b is equal to square root of a into square root of b. So that is square root of 25 into square root of 3. Square root of 25 value is 5. Square root of 3. 5 root 3 is a value. We got the standard form. Now write the simplest rationalizing factor. A rationalizing factor of the 5 root 3 is root 3 only. A rational factor is root 3. And multiply. Rationalize it. Rationalizing means 5 root 3 multiply with the root 3 again. 5 into root 3 into root 3 is 3 only. 5 3 is 15. This is the rationalization. And another problem. Second, 8 into cubic root of 49 is given. Now find the simplest rationalizing factor and rationalize it. For that, 8 into cubic root of 49 is not the cube number. You should write to multiply the rationalizing factor to the getting the cube number inside. That is, actually 49 is a 7 square number. To getting the cube number here, we need to multiply the cubic root of 7. That is, rationalizing factor is cubic root of 7 is a rationalizing factor of given irrational number, and multiply it 8 into cubic root of 7 square into cubic root of 7. 8 into cubic root of 7 square into 7. 7 square into 7 is a 7 power 3. 8 into cubic root of 7 power 3. Cube root will be get cancelled. 8 into 7 is the remaining. 8 sevens are 56. After rationalization, the answer we got the